Cheers from.
Good morning children, welcome to the English class. In today's session, we are going to continue the same chapter from the course book, that is chapter number 2, and the title of this chapter is Friends in the Park. Today we will do the short answer type questions. As you can see, I have written on the board. So these question answers you have to do in your English course book copy. Yes, in yesterday's video I had explained you difficult words, antonyms and the word meanings, and I hope you all have completed also. Now children, before doing the short answer type questions, let us revise the chapter one more time. Okay, so for this I request all of you to take out your English course book. You have to open page number 15. The name of the chapter is Friends in the Park. Day before yesterday we have read this chapter, we have understand also. So today again I am explaining you. In the first picture, what you can see, this is the picture of the park and there are many children. So Manu goes to the park to play every evening. The name of the boy is Manu and he goes to the park every evening to play. Manu's friend Amina goes to the park too. Now Manu is having a friend and her name is Amina. She also goes to the park to play with Manu. They run around and play with the other children. Now in the park there are many other children also. They also play with them and they run around and they play with the other children. As you can see in this picture, this is Manu, this is Amina and many more children are there. And you can see in the park there are many swings. In the second picture you can see Manu, this is Manu and this is Amina. This is Manu and this is Amina. They love to play on the seesaw. Now children, I hope you all have seen the seesaw. This is seesaw. This swing is called seesaw. And the slippery slide. Most of all they love the swings. Now Manu and Amina love to play on the seesaw and they love to play on the slippery slide. Most of all they love the swing. Now you also love the swings. Most of the children love to swings and you can find these swings in the park. In the third picture there are only two swings. As you can see there are only two swings in the third picture. All the children like to swing. They take turns so that all have fun. All can have fun. Now in the park there were only two swings, but there are many children. So all the children like to swing. What they do? They take turns. They wait for their turns so that everybody can have fun. Now come to the next page, that is page number 16. One day a new boy Sunny comes to the park. Now what happened one day? One boy came and his name is Sunny. He is tall and strong. He was very tall and he was very strong. He wants to sit on the swing. He pushes Manu off the swing. Now as he was new, he was not aware who is Manu, who is Amina. So when he came to the park, he also saw the swings and he wants to sit on the swing. So what he do? What he did? He pushes Manu off the swing. You want to sit on the swing? As you can see here, Manu is sitting on the swing and he is Sunny. When he wants to sit on the swing, he pushes off Manu from the swing. In this picture, second picture of page number 16, you can see Manu, Amina and this is Sunny. Manu hurts his leg. Amina is sad. Don't be rough, Sunny, she says. Sunny does not listen to her. Now as Sunny, he is a new boy who came to the park to play. What Sunny did? Sunny pushes off Manu from the swing because he also wants to sit on the swing. So when he pushed Manu, he got hurt in his leg. In this picture you can see he got hurt in his leg. Now when he got hurt, when Amina saw, she was very sad. Then Amina said, "Don't be rough, Sunny." By listening this, Sunny does not listen first. Okay, so in the next picture, you can see the children are playing. The next day, nobody wants to play with Sunny because he was too rough. He pushed Manu from the swing and Manu got hurt. So by behaving like this, nobody wants to play with Sunny. Next day, nobody wants to play with Sunny when Sunny came to the park. "You are too rough," they say. Now what the children said to Sunny? As he pushed Manu and he got hurt, so the children are scared and they does not want to play with Sunny. So the children said, "You are too rough." Then in the last picture, Sunny feels very bad. He says sorry to Manu. Now by listening this, when the children said, "You are too rough, we will not play with you," then this boy, naughty boy Sunny, feels very sad. He says sorry to Manu. Manu and Amina, when Sunny says sorry to Manu, then Manu and Amina play with Sunny. The others joined in too. Now he felt guilty what he did. So when he felt sorry, after that Manu and Amina and the other children agreed to play all together. So children, I hope this story is clear to you. Now we will do the short answer type questions which are written on the board. The first question is, where does Manu go to play? Now this answer you can find in the first stanza. Where does Manu go to play? So the answer of this question will be, Manu goes to the park to play. I repeat the answer. Manu goes to the park to play. Next question is, what do Manu and Amina do with other children? Manu and Amina are best friends. Okay. So when Manu goes to the park, Amina also comes to play. And there are many children, many other children also in the park. So the question is, what do Manu and Amina do with the other children? Manu and Amina run around and play with the other children. Now, in the park there are many children. Manu and Amina run around and they play with other children who are present in the park. Question number 3 is, why do the children not want to play with Sunny? As Sunny is a very naughty boy. We have read in the story also, he was very naughty. He pushed Manu off the swing and Manu got hurt. So nobody wants to play with Sunny. So the question is, why do the children not want to play with Sunny? So answer is, the children does not want to play with Sunny because he is too rough. His behavior is not good. So children does not want to play with Sunny. Question number 4 is, what do they love the most in the park? Now, what thing they love the most in the park? They love the swings the most. Now there are many swings, seesaw, slippery slides and other swings also. So the children love the swing and they wait for their turns so that everybody can have fun. Question number 5, this is the last question. What does Sunny do in the end? Now when Sunny pushed Manu off the swing, he got hurt. Now this behavior is not accepted. So he was too rough. So children does not want to play with Sunny. So what happened in the end? When children said, we will not play with you as you are too rough. So in the end, Manu felt guilty and he apologized his mistake and he asked Manu. He said to Manu, sorry. He felt guilty. So in the end, Sunny says sorry to Manu in the end. Okay. So by listening this, Sunny felt very sorry for behaving like this, and after he felt sorry, all the children liked his behavior and then they played all together. So children, these short answer type questions you have to write down in your English course book copy in neat and good handwriting. And after completing the work, you have to send it for me to correction. Okay. So that's all for today.